Our third and final project is from Tony. He calls it Superboy Young Justice Build. For the specs, he's using the Corsair Spec Alpha in white and red. The motherboard is the ASRock Fatality Z270 Gaming K6 paired with the Intel i7 7700K CPU. For the graphics, he's using the MSI GTX 1080 Ti Armor. His RAM of choice is the Corsair Vengeance LED for a total of 32GB at 3200 MHz. And lastly, he's using the Corsair Force MP500 M.2 for the boot drive and a further 2.5TB of extra storage. Talking about creativity, everything in this PC is color coordinated. I normally hate mismatching fans and different colored cables, but this works so well. The Superboy figure was such a nice touch, and I love how he was positioned to hold up the cables. The custom sleeving and custom backplate is just the icing on the cake. For the setup, he is using an IKEA desk, and he has hid all of the cables very well. The monitor is an AOC 27-inch 1440p 165Hz panel, perfect for gaming. His keyboard is the Corsair Strafe, paired with the Corsair M65 Pro mouse. Overall, such a clean setup, excellent ambient lighting, and it is very hard to fault. Perhaps pick yourself up a headphone hanger, and other than that, thank you very much for entering.